Draw.
Are you ready to draw Cakey from Gabbys Dollhouse with me? Let's go! I'm going to start by drawing the outline of Cakey's ears, top of the head, and here are Cakey's sprinkle whiskers. So cute! Now onto Cakey's little arms, torso, and little legs. Here are 3 more sprinkles on top of Cakey's head. Now to draw Cakey's eyes, nose, and mouth with a little smile. Here I am creating texture by drawing the lines of the cupcake on Cakey's torso. Now for some details, here are Cakey's little paw prints. And that's the outline done. Now to color in my drawing. I am using markers. I will start by using a light blue color and will color in the eyes and a sprinkle. Now onto a pink color and a yellow color and a purple color and a little pink for Cakey's nose, a red color for the little tongue, onto a light pink color for some rosy cheeks. Time to color in the patty pan of Cakey's torso. I am using pink, purple, and blue. Now to color Cakey's paw prints. I am using pink, purple, blue, and green colors. And that's it! I'm all finished! I wonder what adventures Cakey and Gabby will get up to today. Watch my Winnie the Pooh video for more cute and cuddly friends to learn how to draw. Make sure to like and subscribe and get in touch by letting me know what you would like to see me draw. Thanks for watching. See you next time.